All right, live look at our SourceSmart Skycam tonight. This is from the Westin at Marina Village down in the South Cape. You can see that we have some high clouds off in the distance, but gorgeous sunset this evening and a beautiful afternoon overall with plenty of sunshine and temperatures with light winds into the mid-80s here for this afternoon. But as I mentioned earlier, we're tracking another cold front that's going to bring some changes to the area tomorrow. Perhaps for some of you, some good changes as we're expecting another round of cooler weather to move into the area here by the time we head towards tomorrow morning. Looks like those temperatures are going to be falling into the lower 60s for many locations by the time you wake up. Here's a look at Storm Shield Fort Doppler now. Tracking some showers now, moving through portions of Hillsborough and Pinellas counties all the way down through Manatee and Sarasota County. And some of these showers will try to sneak into Hardee and into DeSoto County shortly. So from about Wauchula southward towards Arcadia, some of these showers making their way into the region. And we'll have to also watch parts of southern Sarasota and into northern Charlotte later on tonight as the cold front makes its way a little bit farther towards the south. But any showers that we do see should be few and far between, with skies just becoming mostly cloudy overnight tonight and the winds picking up by tomorrow morning. 70s and 80s right now. Tomorrow morning, again, we're going to be in the low 60s, but through this evening, we should stay fairly mild. Low 70s expected. Skies, though, becoming mostly cloudy later on tonight. And then tomorrow, likely going to have clouds through most of the day, with temperatures likely not making it out of the mid to upper 70s here throughout the day. They had freezing rain and sleet in portions of South Texas early this morning. Places like San Antonio and Austin getting a little bit of wintry weather this morning. Even just north of Corpus Christi seeing a little bit of wintry weather. They've got cold air going all the way southward into deep South Texas. And a freeze warning is in effect right now for portions of the northern Gulf Coast in the wake of the cold front, which is now making its way towards Interstate 4. You can see the temperatures are already down to 47 in the Panhandle, 50 out towards Tallahassee, but 47 in Pensacola. Wind chills are in the upper 30s in the western Panhandle, but you can see where the front is. 70s, it looks like it just moved through Tampa, and it's going to be heading southward here through the next several hours. Again, the freeze warnings in purple going all the way up to the Virginia Tidewater, through the Outer Banks of North Carolina, the low country of South Carolina, and all through the Florida Panhandle here west of Tallahassee towards Pensacola, Mobile, Alabama. Freeze warning tonight, and even down into parts of the central Texas Gulf Coast, down around Corpus Christi. Going to be looking at freezing temperatures here overnight tonight. We're not going to get that cold here. Temperatures overnight falling into the upper 50s and lower 60s, so a comfortable start to the day, comfortably cool that is. And then breezy with highs in the mid to upper 70s for tomorrow, so not too bad. Skies, though, will be mostly cloudy, especially through the first half of the day. Thursday, we're going to start to warm up a little bit. We'll be back into the 80s with clouds on the increase, and then we're going to be tracking a chance for rain in the forecast here by Friday before our next cold front arrives here by the weekend. This evening, clear skies in the 70s. Tonight, mostly cloudy, 63, your overnight low temperature. Could see a stray shower or two, but I think that most areas will be staying dry. Winds picking up tomorrow out of the northeast, 10 to 20. 77, your expected high temperature. Ingman Marine forecast sees running about 3 to 5 feet. Winds out of the northeast at 15 knots. Small craft need to exercise caution. Inland waters, a moderate shock. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast, and you can see those temperatures rising back up into the mid-80s for Thursday. We're going to be tracking that cold front that'll be coming through on Friday. Good chance for rain in the forecast on Friday with mostly cloudy skies. 78, and take a look at how cool it gets by the weekend. 50s, mid-50s in the morning on Sunday with highs only in the mid-70s here for the weekend and a little bit breezy on your Saturday. Let's send it out to meteorologist Cindy Pressler, who's been out at the Cape Coral Yacht Club all afternoon and evening long, speaking to a lot of people about this cold front that's coming towards the area. And Cindy, what were you able to find out from folks? Are they excited about the cooler weather?